Hello scholars, I hope you all are fine and doing great, and I'm sure my all scholars are going through all the videos properly and carefully. So scholars, in this video we are going to start with new exercise, that is 6.6, which is related to story sums. Yes, we are going to start with story sums. So for story sums, scholars, you need to read the question properly and find out the keywords, okay, and then you have to solve according to it, okay scholars. So we'll start with exercise 6.6. From 6.6 I will solve 1 and 2 number sum, and C number sum you will do it by yourself, okay. So we'll start with exercise 6.6, sum number A. So scholars, first of all, will read the story, will locate the keyword in the story, and then we will solve the sum. Okay, so the first question we have, for the school sports day, a group of students prepared 12 1/2 liters of lemonade. At the end of the day, they had 2 5/8 liters left. How many liters of lemonade were sold? Okay, what we have to find? Quantity of lemonade sold. Okay, so now scholars, we will find keyword in this story. So here we have keyword as left. Okay, left is the keyword for subtraction. Yes, so this story sum is related to subtraction. So before that, what we have to do? We have to frame sentences. Okay, so for that, what we need to do first? We need to see the numbers. So here first mixed fraction is 12 1/2. Okay, this mixed fractions indicate that total quantity of lemonade prepared by students. Okay, so see, the first statement will be quantity of lemonade prepared. Okay, total quantity of lemonade prepared is 12 1/2. Okay, now we'll come to second mixed fraction. Here we have 2 5/8. Okay, this mixed fraction indicate that quantity of lemonade left at the end of the day. So the second statement will be quantity of lemonade left is equal to 2 5/8. And the third statement is that what we have to find? We have to find quantity of lemonade sold. Okay scholars. So since here left is the keyword, it means this problem sum is related to subtraction. What we have to subtract? We have to subtract total quantity prepared minus total quantity left. After that, it will give us the result, that is quantity of lemonade sold. Okay. So here we have 12 1/2 minus 2 5/8. So scholars, first of all we have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction, and we know that how to do it. For that we have to multiply whole number with the denominator, and then we have to add the product with the numerator. Okay, so we'll start for this sum. So here 12 multiplied by 2 plus numerator, that is 1, divided by denominator itself, that is 2, minus 2 multiplied by 8 plus numerator. Here we have 5. So we'll add with 5 divided by denominator, that is 8. Okay. Now we will multiply and then we'll add. So 12 2s are 24. So 24 plus 1 divided by 2, that is denominator, minus 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 5 divided by 8. Okay. So 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 by 2 minus 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 by 8. So scholars, here we have converted mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay. Now scholars, our next step is that we have to find LCM. Why? Because we have to convert this improper fraction to like fraction, then only we can add easily. So we have to find LCM of denominators. So here we have denominator as 2 and 8, right? So we'll find LCM of denominator. So LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Okay, now scholars will go to our next step where we will convert each fraction to an equivalent fraction where denominator is equal to our LCM. So first fraction is 25 by 2. Now scholars, you have to think that with what number you will multiply 2 so that you get an LCM. Here we have 8. So we'll multiply 2 with 4, we'll get 8. Since we are multiplying denominator with 4, we have to multiply numerator also with 4 to get an equivalent fraction. So we'll multiply with 4. Okay, numerator and denominator with 4. Okay, now minus, we'll take second fraction, that is 21 by 8. So scholars, here we can see that our denominator is equal to our LCM. So we don't have to do anything. Okay. What we will do? We will just multiply numerator and denominator with 1. Okay. Now we'll multiply and we'll find the product. So what is 25 multiplied by 4? So 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. By 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Yes. Minus 21 multiplied by 1 is 21. 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. Okay. So here we have converted this to like fraction where denominators are same. Now we can easily subtract, right? Since denominators are same, we can easily subtract. So how to subtract? We have to just subtract numerators. So 100 minus 21 is 79. Okay. So 79 by 8. Now scholars, we have to convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. So how to do that? We have to just divide numerator by denominator. So when we will divide numerator by denominator, we will get quotient and remainder. Okay. So here after dividing, we are getting quotient as 9 and remainder as 7. Okay. So we know one formula how to convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction, that is QR upon D, where Q is quotient and R is remainder and D is divisor. Okay. This is the divisor. Okay. That is denominator itself is the divisor. Okay. So here we have quotient as 9. Okay. Remainder as 7 and divisor as 8. Okay. So final statement how to write, that is therefore 9 7 upon 8 liters of lemonade were sold. How much lemonade were sold? 9 7 upon 8 liters of lemonade. Okay scholars. Now scholars, we will see one more sum of same exercise. That is sum number 2. From 3 5 upon 6 of a pizza, Faiza and her friend ate 1 2 by 3 parts. How much is left? What we have to find, how much part is left. Now scholars, we have to locate keyword. So here keyword is left. Since keyword left is related to subtraction, it means that this story sum is also related to subtraction. So first of all scholars, what we need to do, we need to write statement, we need to frame statement. Okay. So we'll see first mixed fraction. So what is the first mixed fraction? 3 5 by 6. Okay, this mixed fraction tells us that the part of pizza, okay, total parts of pizza. So the total parts of pizza is 3 5 upon 6. We'll come to next mixed fraction, that is 1 2 by 3. Okay, this fraction tells us that this part of pizza was eaten by Faiza and her friend. So parts eaten by Faiza and her friends is 1 2 by 3. And what we have to find? We have to find parts left. So how many parts left, that we have to find. Okay scholars. So since left is the keyword for subtraction, this story sum is related to subtraction. We have to subtract. What we have to subtract? We have to subtract total parts of pizza minus parts eaten by Faiza and her friend. It will give us the parts left after eating. Okay scholars. So here we'll subtract 3 5 by 6 minus 1 2 by 3. So scholars, first of all we have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Yes. So how to do that? We have to multiply whole number with the denominator and then we have to add with the numerator. Yes. So here we go for this sum. So 3 multiplied by 6 plus 5. 5 is the numerator. You have to add the result with numerator divided by 6, that is denominator we have to keep it as it is, minus 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay, we have to keep denominator as it is. Now we'll multiply. So 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. Yes, so 18 plus 5 by 6 minus 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 by 3. Now scholars, what we will do? We will add. Okay, so 18 plus 3 is 23. Yes, so 23 by 6 minus 3 plus 2 is 5. Yes, so minus 5 by 3. So scholars, here we have converted mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, now scholars, what we have to do? We have to convert this improper fraction to like fraction where our denominators will be like and then we can easily subtract the numerators. Okay, so the first step for converting this improper fraction to like fraction is we have to find LCM. Yes, we have to find LCM of denominators. So here we have denominator as 6 and 3. So what is LCM of 6 and 3? So the LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Okay, scholars, you can find LCM by short division method. Now we'll come to our next step, where we will convert each fraction to an equivalent fraction where denominator is equal to our LCM. Here we have 6. Okay, so now scholars will take first fraction, that is 23 by 6. Okay, since we can see that here we have denominator which is equal to our LCM, so we don't have to do anything. We will just multiply numerator and denominator with 1. Okay, minus, we'll take next fraction, that is 5 by 3. Now scholars, with what number you will multiply 3 so that you get 6? So we know that when we will multiply 3 with 2, we'll get 6. Since we are multiplying denominator with 2, we have to multiply numerator also with 2 to get an equivalent fraction. So we'll multiply 5 by 3 with 2. Okay. So now we'll multiply 23 multiplied by 1 is 23 by 6 multiplied by 1 is 6 minus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Here we have converted that improper fraction to like fraction where denominators are same. Since denominators are same, we can easily subtract. So we'll subtract just numerator. So 23 minus 10 is 13. Now scholars, we know that our answer should be in the lowest form, or it should be either in the proper fraction or the mixed fraction. Okay, since we know that 13 by 6 is in the lowest form, we have to convert this into the mixed fraction. So for that, what we have to do, we have to divide numerator by denominator. So when we will divide 13 by 6, we will get quotient as 2 and remainder as 1. And we can easily convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction by this formula, that is Q R by D. Q is quotient, R is remainder, and D is divisor, which is our denominator itself. Okay, so what is quotient? So quotient is 2. So we'll put over here. What is remainder? 1. So 1 will put in the numerator by divisor, that is denominator itself, that is 6. Okay, so our final statement is how much part of the pizza is left? 2, 1 upon 3 part of the pizza is left. Okay, scholars. So scholars, here I have done two sums, that is A and B of exercise 6.6. Sum number C, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, you have to read the statement, you have to locate the story sum, and you have to solve it. Okay, scholars. So scholars, here I have completed exercise 6.6. In our next video, we'll start with exercise 6.7. Okay, for these sums, you have to do it in your notebook in proper method and in good handwriting. Okay, scholars. So bye for now. Take care of yourselves, scholars.